Hello everyone, your friend Bernard. Yes, and remember we review some quick products to you. So if you are interested in going into mini quotation business, now say when you any sort of product or feel say we go for with these few reviews about making about these products, you can either decide to go for each of them, whether you like them. So the first product I would like to talk about is this watch. Yeah, it is a short watch. Yeah, to say that iWatch, but it's not iWatch. Yes, and the similar one I think in Bominsan. And we actually watch 8. So I'll just unpack it now for your head. Stay more to it. And to be so I send it here, your charger. Charger, we know what about to watch. What about to watch now after connecting my USB head, now watch charge in case they color. Yeah, it's a smartwatch. It has all the features that every smartwatch has. Yes, and here this heart monitoring rate. Yeah, so some bit more keep your health, walking steps, that fitness steps with my I monitor with this one. They have to connect my phone with the Bluetooth now Friday of accessing this feature. It has a lot of features and it's like the normal iWatch features, no, yeah, but it's not iWatch. Yeah, but it's not iWatch actually. Yes, it's a shape range, so this is how the belt now be bracing on some so it's here. Yes, it's a rubber. More design and come on, you just join them with the fixing or watching the side or bracing on some flow corny. Yeah, and this is it for this watch, and we are interested that we will be able to go in to gadgets, electronic gadgets. Yes, this watch is one of the cool products that you can decide to go for. Yes. And after you see another one was it's the same watch, but this time around this watch has an extra package. Yeah, it's even using that for your head. It's on my three features now. Box no top was it that's the top package, my train was it. And your heart monitoring rate, your sports mode, your stopwatch, your music control, your message push, and your calories. Calories now is like fitness now via walking a long distance to just burn some fat mechanism. Yeah. And sana package where you I watch you so these are some of the cool features, Yeah, and the first one also has the same features as this one. But say big package you saw this one is quite more advanced than the first one. Yes, and this one it has 2 belts for bracing or hand to the yes, and very bracing and 2. There were different designs and babu susuni. Yeah. And that you watch Nankasa so yeah, it's watch Nankasa and it's yeah, I think that this no the same watch a woman. Yes, and you back the next package so your earbuds and your earbuds I can one. So what that it comes with this package. I think they are very cool. The prices are very low. If you decide to go in for such products now, you can also make a lot of profit out of them. Yes. Yeah, so that's it for these 2 watches. And the next package that I would like to talk about is this shoe. Yeah, so we are Obama and I say we will be up with some fat Mema shoes. You can go for such shoes, and yes, this is quite cute. It is quality and me and Kasama said that I see tight. Yes, and you are going for such shoe now, you can also make profit out of it. On my year, France, Italy, flag design on, but it's not from none of these countries. Yes, many why you say we are on my design it is from Italy made and France made. It is from China. Yes, we bought them from China. It is okay products we are very cool with my day. I'll go for such products if only you want to start shoe business. With my day, I'll go for this product. And also another shoe I'm talking about, but this one is for the ladies. Yes, and those ladies who wants to sell high heel goose. Until be a person who your own flats and the opposite also has a high heel. Yeah, you can go for such product and sound was yes very solid. Yes, in your product I will go for best as this here. And on board this laser, you just lay it around or leg not riding. Originals now they go we episode with the copia. So this package is cool. And the last two products I make are these bags. Yeah, so we lady and now you guy now person go to ladies bags, so you can either go for these products. Yes, and this is one of the package. This is one of the bags I make once a month. Yeah, very mint because for someone, yeah, 18. But I see that design it here, and I'm check it. You can say quality wise, quality wise is okay. Yes, and oh shit, the way it's here very cute and the mood as come on. Yeah, it's in a bag. Yeah, you can go for it. So, I never want anything. Now the next one is so cool, very cute. So the design here for but just say you'll be the yes me and yes, but trust me, design here cool. So quality, yes, and yeah, bag if you are the next few months and a few weeks now. Once I sure because the quality of the leather is okay. Yes, and see. That's it for the day, and my name is Bernard. So that we can, yeah. So if there are any other goods that are rising and I check for the quality and they are good, I will make sure say I come to you with a review for you to check. Yeah, maybe you are stuck of choosing a product to sell. Through this, you can just go for a wonderful product and start making sales for yourself. My name is Bernard. Till next time, bye.